What's up, guys? Here back with another YouTube video. Sorry about my parents in the background that might be talking a little bit, but we're going to be talking about the upcoming severe weather threat. Thank you so much for liking because thank you guys so much for 50 subscribers on the YouTube channel. It really means a lot to me. I didn't know I could get this far. 50 subscribers, guys. Thank you so much for all the support lately. My channel's been growing a little bit lately. I hope to get to 100 subs and much more than that. I just really hope that I think I deserve more subs than I have. Because I like to live stream with a lot of people. I mean, guys, just to say, if you guys have tuned in this channel, you might be wondering, I've never seen him live stream before. I got banned from live streaming on this account right here. I mean, on my Blaze Weather normal, on my main account. You know, I got banned from that account. So I had to make this account. I got banned from streaming because I showed my face and didn't know that you couldn't show your face in the video. So now in Blaze Weather stream,
particularly dangerous.
I do live streams on Blaze Weather stream channel. So if you guys whenever watch me stream or whenever talk to me in Discord or something, Blaze Weather stream, it's right there. It's right there. My name, just Blaze Weather stream. No, nothing else. Blaze Weather stream account. I streamed earlier. Basically, no one was watching besides a few. Actually, that was a long time ago when I made that live stream. So that's why no one really saw. But not many people go on this, by the way, guys. Not many people go on these streams. So if you would like, guys, subscribe to this channel and tune into my live streams because I hope you guys would like it. And thank you for supporting this video. Why you should buy this. Please, guys, just if you guys like Radar Scope better, it's your opinion. Just don't comment about why you think Radar Scope is better. Don't argue about it. Just don't show your opinion. See, I showed my opinion because it's what I really do recommend. I can be honest with you. Radar Omega is getting really popular and it's better than Radar Scope. But if you have a different opinion than what my opinion was of why you should buy this, and then just don't comment. Literally, just don't comment. I'm just saying, Ryan Hollyoll recommends Radar Omega a ton. Reed Timmer uses it a lot. It's just a really good app, guys.
Be explaining many.
Thank you for all the support on it, though. And thank you, Chip, for buying Radar Omega. It's a really good app. So now, out of all that stuff, let's talk about the weather. So there is a multiple severe risk. You might be wondering, Aaron, that's my name, sorry. You might be wondering, why are you not doing your forecast on Radar Omega? Because, guys, Radar Omega, the only sad thing is Radar Omega does their SBC outlooks, but they don't do an outlook past day 3. They only do categorical 1, 2, and 3. They don't do anything else besides that. Let's see, what is this right here? Doppler was tracking intense snow showers. Some heavy snow coming in. You can see that it does look like some very heavy snow right there. So yeah, I just really love this app, guys. I don't know. I don't know about you. I really like this app. So now to this. So there's a slight risk, 15% chance of severe weather in Texas, Oklahoma, and Kansas. So It's called COT. Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas. Mostly the old Tornado Alley area where the Tornado Alley is shifting to over this, like that. And not really, it's not that exactly, but then it's just shifting more east and that and stuff. This 15% is really big right here. There, you get areas like, I don't know, where is that, guys? Where's that down there in central Kansas? Wichita. Alright. So you got areas like, I'm pretty sure Wichita's under this. Tulsa, Oklahoma City, Fort Worth, and Dallas is all under. So if you guys are in this, keep an eye out. Because you could get a 30% chance of storms from this. And you could get tornadoes, hail, and damaging winds possible from this. See all severe weather hazards right there. Shown. And then the day 5 outlook is a much bigger outlook. A ton of states like Missouri, Illinois, just really small portions of Missouri and Illinois, and Kentucky, Tennessee, Arkansas, Louisiana, a little small portion of Texas, Mississippi, Alabama, and then a big 30% area in the same area that got hit by those tornadoes that one day, and also New Orleans that was already cleaning up from that EF3 large tornado that they got. Is also under the gun for another severe weather threat. I do think this could persist a little bit north. This risk area, I do think it could go a little north. So yeah, keep an eye on that. This is enhanced risk on day 5. This is rare, guys. Rare enhanced risk on day 5. So really keep an eye on this. And then day 6 is a smaller slight risk in Virginia and North Carolina. Virginia and NC. VANC. So keep an eye on that too. That's still really, this stuff is still quite far out, but this shows that there's confidence that there's going to be severe weather on all 3 of these days, guys. So be careful. This could be some pretty bad severe weather. Now we're going to go to the GFS. So if you can see right here. So day 4 would be like, let's see what day 4 would be. So today. Yeah. So about this time would be day 4. So you can see a lot of snow showers and then a big area of potential snowstorm around here. So we're also going to be talking about this. This is our potential next snowstorm. So I know rain waves, you're under this. Guys, if you live there, tell me what state you live in, because I can talk about your state, guys. I'd like to talk about your area a lot, not just like say around the world, because I don't know where you guys like are from. You don't have to see your exact area. Also, obviously, why would you do that? Don't do that. Just put like your state you live in and stuff, you know. So there's gonna be some icy conditions around here, and then it will probably convert to snow. Then we'll talk about severe weather. So you can see a lot of icy conditions. Then it switches to snow. It's a big area of snow in Wisconsin, northern Wisconsin. You got Minnesota, and still the snow that goes ongoing over there reaches all the way down to Missouri, Illinois, and Iowa, which it reaches pretty far down, guys. This is so far out, so don't take this under like, oh my gosh, this is obviously gonna happen, because there's a chance this does not happen. Well, it's gonna happen. You're gonna get snow, but like there's a chance that it could be positioned different in areas and stuff. So this is our snowfall totals from this storm. So I do think the GFS is pushing it a little bit, but I do think some areas around here could get a decent 3 to 9 inches of snow in this wide area. But it's so far out, so take this under a grain of salt. Alright, so now we're going to go back to the severe weather. That's your storm right there. The GFS is showing a little bit of a different pattern for severe weather. They're showing that it reaches Oklahoma and Texas and doesn't get into the Kansas area very much. They're showing that, but they're showing a big line of storms over here that pushes through in Missouri, Arkansas, and Texas with some possible QLCS embedded tornado, not embedded, QLCS tornadoes, that circulations that could form inside of that QLCS and form some tornadoes. It gets much stronger right there. And then this is our next severe weather threat right here. You can see the big line of storms right here. And then this is our target area for severe storms right in there. So a big line of storms will be heading through. I do think that they are showing a little bit less of a storm for day 1. For day 4, I meant. They're not really showing a lot for the maybe you could get some storms after, but I don't think that they're showing for Kansas and much for Oklahoma. But I do think that that could be a little bit wrong. But big storms with a big line of storms. And then it heads through, oh man, here. I do think there could even be a tiny bit of severe weather that comes through right around here. And then more severe weather right there. Alright. Now let's look at our surfaced base cape. So there's quite a bit of surface base cape right here right there. Sometimes I hate when pivotal. I don't even know how to say it, but when this weather app does that, it can get a little annoying. It does seem to be a little bit over here. Yeah, man, I hate when it does this. It's so annoying. But yeah, it's kind of hard to do these outlooks because, like, trying to push on a good thing, it just moves it back. That's what I hate about this app sometimes. Oh, now, see, you got some cape right there and energy, and then a little more up there that you could bring you some severe weather. There's you can see on the storm relative felicity values, a lot of storm relative felicity in here. So, yeah. Oh, man. This can get so annoying sometimes. See, don't worry about this. This is nothing severe weather. You have to have other ingredients to form with that. Don't worry about that. See, like I said, just stay there. Weather. Never forget to stay there. See, I do think that there's a chance that this severe weather risk could reach a little bit higher in Missouri and a little more north into Illinois. Now we're going to look at our dew points. Dew points. So I do think that pivotal weather is really not showing a lot into that area, into this area down there when it gets up into Kansas. I'm thinking they're showing more of a risk down further south. Showing the highest potential is shown down here into Texas and Oklahoma. After good values reaching here, a lot of 60s and even 60s pushing into Missouri. And then you get, and this is when your line of storms head into, for your day 5 risk area, this is where our enhanced risk is issued. A lot of 60s and a lot of moisture is said, and you could, and I do think, like I said, they could push it further north because there is a little bit of a 60 there in St. Louis and a 59 over there. And then you can see the dry line in the back pushing very dry air, and then you can see a very narrow line of that really good energy in the 68 in Jackson. So a lot of energy from this. And then from your next storm, a lot of energy from this. And even some 60s that pushes into Maryland and Delaware and Pennsylvania. So this could be a good area of severe weather. Whoa, I'm joking. So here. So I'm going to end this video for today, guys. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure put in the comments if anybody here has got Radar Omega. Tell me how you're liking it so far. If you like it. So bye. I'm gonna write it in here in Radar Omega. Bye, guys. See you later.